Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Teaching Reading Elementary exam? This is Praxis Test Code 5205. Praxis 5205 is an exam that covers multiple subject areas for preschool to grade 6. This problem set covers the subtopic of Phonological and Phonemic Awareness, including Emergent Literacy. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. While reading aloud with the teacher, a student stumbles on a word. The teacher instructs the student to sound out the word. The student sounds out the individual sounds of the word and then correctly pronounces the entire word. Which of the following phonological skills did the student demonstrate? Rhyme manipulation, onset manipulation, blending of individual phonemes, or segmenting of individual phonemes. Rhyme manipulation involves changing the ending part of a syllable or word, the rhyme, while keeping the beginning part, the onset, the same, which is not what the student is doing here. So let's eliminate that. Onset manipulation involves changing the initial sound of a syllable or word while keeping the rhyme the same. So we can cross that out as well. Segmenting individual phonemes would involve breaking down the word into its individual sounds without necessarily blending them back together again. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer is blending of individual phonemes. In this scenario, the student demonstrates the ability to blend individual phonemes by sounding out each phoneme sound in the word and then correctly pronouncing the entire word. This skill is crucial for decoding words during reading and shows the student's ability to integrate individual sounds into a coherent word. Therefore, blending of individual phonemes is the correct answer. Question number 2. A kindergarten teacher is engaging students in an activity to help develop their expressive language skills. Which of the following is the best activity for achieving this goal? Reading a short sentence, giving answers orally, participating in pretend play, or drawing faces that express feelings. When considering activities to help develop expressive language skills in kindergarten students, reading a short sentence is not the best choice because it primarily focuses on reading skills rather than expressive language. So let's eliminate that. Drawing faces that express feelings primarily develops emotional awareness and recognition rather than verbal expression. So we can cross that out as well. Giving answers orally does involve some level of expressive language, but it does not necessarily encourage the free use of language. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer here is participating in pretend play. Pretend play is highly effective for developing expressive language skills because it encourages students to use language creatively and spontaneously. Through role-playing and imaginative scenarios, children practice using words and sentences to express their thoughts, ideas, and emotions. This kind of activity promotes verbal interaction, narrative skills, and vocabulary development, all of which are key components of expressive language. Therefore, participating in pretend play is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following describes what a teacher may be trying to do when they ask students to state back what they have just heard someone say? Developing their receptive language skills, developing their detailed summarizing skills, teaching them social skills, or teaching them how to have a conversation. Developing detailed summarizing skills involves condensing and paraphrasing larger pieces of information. So let's cross that out. While this practice can teach social skills, particularly in terms of active listening and respectful interaction, the main objective goes beyond social etiquette. So we can eliminate that as well. Teaching conversational skills involves a broader range of activities more than simply restating what has been heard. So that's not correct either. The correct answer is developing their receptive language skills. By asking students to repeat what they have heard, the teacher is helping them practice understanding and processing spoken language, which are key components of receptive language skills. This activity ensures that students are accurately receiving and interpreting information. Therefore, developing their receptive language skills is the correct answer here. Question number 4. An effective strategy to use while teaching the concept of print, known as directionality, is which of the following? Allow students to help each other during partner reading activities. Engage students in group sentence writing. Model tracking words from a large book for students to see. Or have students find certain words in a given sentence. While partner reading promotes collaborative learning and reading fluency, it does not specifically address the concept of print directionality, which is the understanding of how text is read from left to right and top to bottom. So we can eliminate that. Similarly, engaging students in group sentence writing focuses more on writing skills and sentence structure rather than the direction in which print is read. So we can cross that out as well. Having students find certain words in each sentence is beneficial for word recognition and vocabulary development, but it does not explicitly teach the concept of directionality in print. So that is not correct. The correct answer is to model tracking words from a large book for students to see. By modeling tracking words with a finger or pointer, the teacher can clearly demonstrate the left to right and top to bottom directionality of print. This visual and hands-on approach helps students understand the flow of reading text, making it an effective strategy for teaching directionality. Therefore, model tracking words from a large book for students to see is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of phonological and phonemic awareness, including emergent literacy, for the Praxis 5205 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.